All right, we're making another cocktail at home. Today,
That's surprising.
It's a shock. It is a shock. Actually, I did not make a cocktail last night.
Whoa.
The night before.
Whoa.
But that was because I was drinking Brunello wine.
Is that just to stop the family from wondering whether you have a problem?
No, they know I have many problems, but it's okay. It's okay. So this is a midnight in New York. Is the cocktail, the name of this cocktail. It should be 7 o'clock in Washington, D.C. Maybe this is what we're doing right now.
This is
but
true.
Midnight New York, it's based, comes from Trudy Thomas. I believe the bar is Liquid Remedy, somewhere in Arizona.
Nice.
Hopefully I got that right, but I'll put the correct stuff in the show notes.
Thank you.
Just to be sure. But that's the origin story. I guess it calls for Shiraz red wine as the red wine ingredient. Yeah, there's wine in this cocktail. I'm using a Brunello only because it's almost done, and it's it's a big red wine. It's a big earthy red wine, so that'll be.
Think it's somewhat
nice.
comparable?
I think so. I think it's somewhat comparable.
Okay.
So, bourbon, red wine, grenadine, and lemon juice. That's
You
it.
come in tight.
If you come in tight as I'm making it, that's fine.
Cool.
All right, cool. So, I'm going to start with 1 ounce of bourbon. I'm using Evan Williams 1783 in this particular cocktail. It's a reasonable bourbon, $20. Very good enough, really good for cocktails.
I was gonna say, which is perfect for cocktails.
Yeah, it's perfect for cocktails. You can drink it straight. It's but it's better as a with a cocktail. 1 ounce of the red wine.
Nice.
See, I had that pre-poured. That's impressive.
Fancy.
So 1 ounce bourbon, 1 ounce of the red wine. We're going to now do a ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay. Great. And then to make this even a little more girly, we're gonna we're pinking it up with a ¼ ounce of Grenadine.
Are you going to a heavy metal concert?
No, but I should. And if you remember the scofflaw cocktail we did a while back, it did have bourbon, lemon juice, and grenadine.
Yeah.
Right? So that combo, does work together.
And then this just has the
red
additional
wine.
and
the scofflaw had something else, I think, but I can't recall. I already have ice in the shaker. We're gonna shake it up.
Nice.
Now, I'm shaking it because there is citrus.
I was saying lemon juice.
In it, right? If it was all booze, we would be
stirring it.
Good shake.
What does that do? The shaking it, what does that do for, like, does it excite the lemon juice so that it does something different, so that the acid... It
incorporates the lemon juice better than, like, if you were stirring a cocktail, lemon juice wouldn't necessarily get incorporated.
Interesting. Okay, I was curious why that was. Okay.
It aerates the cocktail as well, which is, when you have lemon juice. Glass.
Huh.
Very cool vintage coupe glass.
Ooh.
Look at him.
Okay, he's my favorite.
He's the best.
We gotta get. Yeah, look at that.
We got it at like a flea market.
Yeah, for like $1. Yeah, but it's so pretty.
Yeah, we should have bought like 100.
We have 2. We bought whatever they had.
I know. Right. So I am gonna double strain this, even though I don't think you have to. It does come out kind of dark, so it's a little more manly than the scofflaw. Hence the name, the Midnight in New York. All right.
That looks pretty.
It is pretty. All right. And this guy gets a
I was hoping for a lemon
twist.
Yeah, the yellow just looks
Garnish,
so pretty
so
with the red.
Get some of those oils out there. We'll rub it around the edge. So you get a little bit of lemon in every one of your sips. And that's pretty. You get out of the shadow.
That's gorgeous.
That's a winner?
Yeah, that's pretty.
All right.
Okay, but now you have to tell us how it tastes.
Yeah, because I've never had this. Unlike the scofflaw, which I think I said I drank all over the world. It was actually pretty good. It's neat. I was a little skeptical because of the presence of red wine in the cocktails. I'm not used to wine in the cocktails.
Yeah.
But it's it gives it a nice depth.
Nice.
Pretty cool. It doesn't read too bourbony either. So, you know.
Is that because of the wine, the lemon,
well,
the combination?
there's only 1 ounce of bourbon in this, right? I guess we got the motorcycle rally outside. Like most drinks have, you know, if they have bourbon in it, they usually do, it's usually 1.5 ounces or 2 ounces of bourbon. So this one only has 1. It's an even split between the red wine and the bourbon, so that's probably why.
Oh, great, yeah.
But it's, you know, and so because of that, it'll be a little bit of a lower alcohol cocktail, which is nice every now and then.
Yeah.
All right,
especially
cool.
in the summer.
Well, you know, we're still sort of in lockdown, right? We're opening back up, so we'll be doing more cocktails at home, no doubt. Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers.